With the advent of programmable hardware since the early 1980s, we have what we can identify as the configure-based computing. For a computing system, being able to adapt at runtime is definitely a huge leap. But pay attention, as most of the IT technologies, the idea, the rationale behind it has been taken from our everyday life. As humans, we are living in an adaptable, reconfigurable world. Reconfiguration is everywhere. Let's just consider an analogy with sports. In football, we are observing different kinds of reconfiguration. According to the phase of the game, we may have on the field a defense line or an offensive line. But the important thing is that whenever we are changing our line, the other team is not playing. Within this context, we can consider this solution as a complete static reconfiguration. It's complete because we are allowed to change the entire line, and it's static because the other team cannot continue to play while their configuration is taking place. Within the soccer scenario, on the other hand, we can have a different kind of reconfiguration. In soccer, we are not allowed to change the entire team, but still, we can partially reconfigure our team by swapping some of the players. This is a different kind of adaptation, but still, the opponent team is not allowed to play the ball while we are doing an update in the configuration of our team. Therefore, in such a scenario, we are observing a partial static reconfiguration. Finally, we can get things even more interesting, and this is the hockey case. In hockey, we can do whatever we want. We can swap player in and out, and we can do it dynamically while the game is on. This means that we can take advantages of doing all the updates that we want, but we have to be careful while doing it. First of all, we have to guarantee that overall number of players is not going to exceed the maximum allowed. Second, we do have to be a terrific coach in knowing when to change a player with another one. Runtime management is going to be crucial. That's where strategies are coming to play. Bad strategies can lead us to a corner, but if you're going to play properly with our players, being able to read a match, we are going to take a huge advantage by the possibility of updating at runtime. Moreover, which is a thing that has to be kept always in mind, it may happen that reconfiguration is going to be required. Maybe to recover from a fault, or if you'd prefer, consider the picture from an injury.